Hello everybody and welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial we'll be going over the coins section in our ELM panel options. So try to stick around to the end of the video and let's get started already. In today's tutorial it's going to be a little bit detailed, so try to keep attention as well. And let's get started. So the first thing you have to, after you can access your web page right here, as you can see, is head to the add new. So this is we are going over through how you can create a token in the first place. And the second thing I want you to keep in mind is that you have MetaMask downloaded, you guys. It's very important, and you have also sufficient fund in MetaMask. So we will start ahead by creating a title of or like naming our token. So our token name will be demo token, as it is for a demo. So now for coin specification, for me, without any explanation, I'll just tell you to turn on ERC20 improved security token, because here are a bit of gas fees. But yeah, since we just want something improved, something better, as you can see, the better version is always the best. So yeah, the better, I'll go just for the better version right here. This one is also interesting, but yeah, I would not stick around with it because this is just better. But yeah, as I said, now after doing that, all you have to do, come back to the definition, name your token, demo coin. Let's say demo coin, for example. The symbol, so I'm going for demo, and decimals 18, and total supply I'll do 5 million. 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. But yeah, as you can see, this was it. So now all you have to do is click on connect MetaMask. Okay, make sure you unlocked your MetaMask first of all. Let me show you how I'm able to do that. But yeah, as I said, it's a pretty straightforward process. There's not much to worry about. As you can see, now you can see my full screen. I'll do head to MetaMask. I will unlock it. After unlock it, I will click next on connect. Now the wallet is connected. I'll make sure to swap to the Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, and as you can see, here is the Binance Smart Chain. I'll click on connect MetaMask. And I will, so first of all, I will just deploy to the Binance Smart Chain. The pricing is free, and it's just low fees, and low fees are gonna make other people trying to join your token or whatever you're doing easier. So yeah, I'm just gonna click Binance Smart Chain and then click deploy. Yes, please proceed. So it showed transaction is in progress. I'll click on an unlock here. So as you can see right here, you'll just hit on confirm and you'll be good to go. So upon hitting on confirm, you'll be able to create your token and you'll be good to go. As I said, it's very easy. As you can see, it's also, the fees are very low. It doesn't take that much. As you can see, even now, after that, you'll be able to hit to all coins. And you will be able to see your token right there. So by the way, also like for the addresses things, I believe it will be the MetaMask address that's going to be the one that contains the total supply of your tokens. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So after hitting to all tokens right here, you'll be able to find it. So this is just a draft right here, but like, let's see the test token. As you can see, I'll click edit. As you can see, this is just the test token. You'll find details about the token. You'll find the contract address. You'll find the every information about it as well right here. You'll find the owner account. So as you can see right here, you are able to, let me pop this off. It will open BCC scan. Yeah, so the token is worthless, basically $0. But yeah, you guys got the idea. It's like just the way it works, very simple. You'll find more information about the contract source code, which will be very interesting as well. But yeah, as I said, it's a very interesting process. You guys are going to absolutely love it. It's very easy, not that much to do. So now this is all easy and all fun, but now you still have to provide liquidity to your token. So for providing liquidity, it's a bit tricky, but we are going to use PancakeSwap. You can use any liquidity provider website. So PancakeSwap.finance. Let's say that the token we created is test token number 2, but we created demo account. But yeah, basically, let's see, we did that. We are going to copy the contract address first of all. Head to PancakeSwap, head to trade, hit to liquidity. Click on add liquidity, select a currency and import your currency. You can do that just by hitting, as I said, all coins. Let me repeat that. All coins, find your coin right here, test token number 2, edit it. Wait for a second, go down and go to the contract address, or just go to the viewer and view it right here and you find the contract address. I'm just gonna copy this, head back here, paste it, and as you can see, this is our token right here. Exactly the same thing. I'm gonna import it, and then I'm gonna click enter send, and then I'm gonna able to be select the currency that I own. Say I have, as you can see, BNB right here. I'm gonna just choose BNB, click max, and I'm gonna kind of flip them. So my bad. So let me just do this here, and yeah, I'm gonna do the max of this, and then I'll be able to initial prices and pool share. As you can see, insufficient funds. It was correct. So basically, you'll just do the token right here and BNB right here, and yeah, that's it. I believe you'll be able to do this, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, just to explain some of the stuff, you guys. So basically, say you want one BNB to be worth about say 5,000 tokens, all right? So it will be 0.0002 BNB per token. So basically, that will be simply BNB to USD, for example. And I'm gonna do 0.002. I believe there's one more zero right there. There's two more zeros. Or okay, so there's one more zero. So it's gonna be $0.08 per one of your tokens, in total of 5,000 tokens, just to keep that in mind. So it's gonna be 5,000 tokens per 2 BNB, 100% share of pool. And yeah, as I said, it's very, very interesting, and it's very amazing as well. That's how you calculate the liquidity, and that's how you price your token as well a little bit. So if you want more tokens, you'll go ahead and be like maybe 50,000, and it's gonna be less value per token. But yeah, as I said, it's gonna be something like looking like this, I believe. Yeah, so it's gonna be $0.008 per token. But yeah, that was it for today's tutorial, guys. We are going to explore the staking in the next tutorial, so try to stick around for that. It's going to be also a very interesting episode, and you guys are going to absolutely love it. With that said, see you guys in another video, and peace.